Every culture carries a story. Every tradition preserves a legacy. And every generation has a responsibility to keep that legacy alive. Whittlesea TV proudly introduces a brand new cultural program, Culture Hub EC, a platform dedicated to celebrating, preserving and promoting the rich cultural heritage of the Eastern Cape. In our very first episode, we take you to the Indoni Cultural School SA, provincial camp hosted at Sibonile Village in Whittlesea, where young people proudly showcase the beauty of African culture through traditional dance, music, discipline and heritage. Experience the rhythm, the colors, the tradition and the pride of our people as Whittlesea TV brings you exclusive highlights from this unforgettable cultural celebration.
Isikolo seBuyambo sisikolo samasiko nezithethe esithatha abantwana abaminyaka eli-12 ukuyotsho kwiminyaka engama-25. Kodwa lo mntana simthathayo ngumntwana ongenamntwana yena ongowakhe umntwana.
Ndingumatshaya ngenqawenda abanye betshaya ngezimfutshane, ongxanda kaXesibe, uNonzaba, uBhelesi, uMnone, oGqubane, uTshomela kaMatsha.
Ndingumamhlonto unoyila udumela ungakalunga ngokulinganiswa ungathini emdudweni.
Indlela yokuziphatha, indlela yokuba abantwana bangazikhwebula kanjani kwiingxondorha ezisekuhlaleni, iziyobisi, ukusela utywala.
Hear their stories, witness their passion, and discover why culture remains a powerful force for unity and identity. Don't miss the premiere of Culture Hub EC, Episode 1, Indoni, Saturday, 18 July 2026 at 5:30 p.m. Culture Hub EC, celebrating our heritage, connecting our communities, and inspiring future generations. Only on Whittlesea TV, the pride of Whittlesea.